Hello. Are we streaming live on the YouTubes? Seems like we are. Welcome guys to another live stream with me and my head talking like a muppet. Alright, so today I was doing some Windowsy stuff and I decided to live stream whatever I'm gonna do today, which it's good. It's good. How are you guys? How are you doing? Hey Felipe, what's up? And Quantum Negative, what's up? What's up everyone? What have you guys been doing this week? My last week was pretty crazy. Here now, I traveled to another city to do the Mexico Houdini users group. It was great, and yeah, we had fun. I think my camera, it's weird, but it's always weird. No matter where I am, I'm on Windows today, if you can believe that. Let's see if it makes it better doing that stuff. A little bit. Okay. Krishnan. Hello, Krishnan. So today I'm gonna play with Unity because some people have asked me about Unity, and it's been a while since I played with Unity. Actually, I used to use it. Yeah, I'm on Windows today. That's where I do. Good, Krishna. Really glad to have you here for the first time. But yeah, I'm on Windows today, and that's where I use Unreal Engine because I'm doing some projects in Unreal Engine, and I remember that people have asked me before if I'm gonna do anything related to Unity. Because let me show you guys this. Let me switch my camera. Alright, so recently I released this training here, this Houdini Engine to Unreal Engine workflow, which has been really popular. But some people have asked me if I'm gonna do something similar for Unity, and I've never used the Houdini engine with Unity actually, so this is gonna be my first time. I kind of have an idea of how do you use it and stuff in Unity, and some of the stuff that I've done here for the Unreal Engine training applies as well to Unity. It's not that bad, but I'm gonna make another project that is gonna be specifically for Unity, so I wanted to test it with you guys right here live, see what happens. So I guess we have a few minutes to see if anyone else comes by. Thank you, Krishna. Krishnan, thank you for that. I really appreciate what you're saying about my videos. Let's see. All right, this is working. I haven't tested tab 2 in a while in Windows. I need to fix this issue. There's another issue there to fix. All right. Okay, so let me put that on my notes before I forget. So what everyone has been doing this week? Houdini work, fix scaling issue when leading search. Okay, put him on my notes there, and it's done. Okay, I'm gonna put that as important. Let's see that. Put it in progress. Okay. Are learning some pyro explosion. Cool. Pyro explosions are rad. They're freaking cool. Alright, so I already installed med school. Whoa. Okay. that's really odd. Med school and Houdini. Just checking a message. Alright, so I already installed Unity and I have it running here. Hope you guys can see this because I couldn't make the text bigger and I don't want to scale Windows too much, and I have this white interface, so we're gonna have to stand it. You don't like it, so like I said, I've used Unity before. I actually released 2 games with Unity before, so I know my way, or I at least used to know my way around it. This is new. Asset store, that's new. Well, it was a separate window before, I guess, I think. But now it's just there, embedded. They want you to buy stuff. Okay. So, let's see. So what do we need to make this work, right? So did I test the tab 2? Tab 2, yeah, tab 2 is working. Cool. Taurus, yeah, cool. This thing is working really nice. Awesomeness. Alrighty. Roberto, it's not working. Should fix that. Okay. So there is a way to install hey Carlos, why did I change to Unreal? Because Unreal it's way better. I like Unreal a lot more. Gives me results faster than Unity. But people like to use Unity, so it's cool. Yeah, for my work I use more Unreal, but people like Unity, and it's good, it's okay, but once Unreal was available, I just bought it day one, because I've been using it a lot for a while. It used to come with the Unreal tournament games, and I used to buy the game just to run the editor. So yeah. What's the difference between Unity and Unreal? There's a lot of different stuff. But I think the biggest one for me is that Unity requires a lot of plugins, and Unreal has a lot of all the tools built in. And I think Unreal gives me faster results, better looking results really quickly. And Unity, it's like there's too much steps to get nice looking stuff. They are getting better, but it's alright. And I guess one of the other big ones is that Unity has C# for scripting, which I actually don't like C#. I think it's horrible, but people like it, so it's there. But I actually like C++. I do C++ in Unreal as well, so that's it. So let's see how we need to install this Unity. Houdini Engine. I think I remember. Unity plugin documentation. Getting started. Okay, yeah, there's some packages in the Houdini installation. So let's go there. See, what is it? Program files, side effects. Let's see if I'm not gonna show something that I shouldn't. Nah, don't have anything installed here. So should be here. Then in engine. Whoa, it's not here. I didn't install it. Oh man, I installed this new version, and this is here. But I'm not sure if this is gonna work because this version didn't work for me. You can see if I try to open that version of Houdini, it crashes for me. Let's try to do it with this one. Let's see if it works. So we need to import it from the asset here. I've done this before. Custom package. Just copy this path here. That one is it? Let's say again. Choose the version 2 beta. Yeah. That one, open it. It's gonna be doing some stuff. Import. Yeah, done this before. Tons of plugins installed the same way in Unity. The project contains a script or simply that are obsolete APIs. Okay. Also, I'm using the latest version of Unity, which is actually in beta. Why? Well, I like to live in the edge. I like to live on the edge. Find bugs, crush stuff. Cool, smash. Alright, so we have stuff. Houdini Engine is here. Seems like it's there. I don't even know if it's working, but if it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to install the other version of this. But let's try to load a Houdini digital asset. I should have. Actually, let me not do that. Let's just create a folder here. Let's call it HDA. Go inside. I should have here in the Houdini Engine. This should have a simple asset. Yeah, this is one that we do in the Houdini Engine workflow, and this one should work. Okay, this is just very simple. Just testing here what's gonna happen. Okay, so it's failing to the Houdini thingy. So we're gonna have to install the other version of Houdini, and this is what's gonna happen, guys. So I'm gonna be having issues, and it's gonna fix in today. It's not much of a lesson today. It's gonna be mostly seeing me fail today, which is okay. It's not that there's nothing bad about failing. 267, it's not. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to download the version. Thankfully I have a fast connection, so it's not gonna take in that much time. Download. I'm gonna download the current production build, because that should work, right? The production build should work. I always use really recent versions of Houdini. I'm not really scared about that. So I'm gonna delete this and delete the plugins, I guess. I'm gonna have to delete the plugins. Okay, let me delete these plugins because that's not gonna work. I don't know why that version of Houdini just fell on me. No, I don't worry a lot about I don't worry about failing actually. So I was just warning you what's going to happen because that's what's going to happen today. I'm gonna be downloading stuff. I mean, installing stuff, and it's gonna fail, and we're gonna fix it here on the stream. So I'm gonna just already downloaded the version of Houdini that we need. And let's see, I'm gonna install, yeah, whatever, all that stuff. And we need this this engine. Let's install same for all these guys and let it run. Okay, while that is running, we can go to Houdini and maybe create a project. Let's see, what prayers do I have here? Okay, so I'm gonna create a new project and I'm gonna put it in my projects. I'm gonna call this Unity testing, because that's what we're doing. Except now let's create some stuff. Let's call this simple asset. I always start with something simple, then pick it up from there. So let's just do like a circle and a box, and copy, actually it's just CP, copy the points. Sometimes I want to type more, but tab 2 makes me type less. If I just type CP, just copy the points, because it detects the capital letters of the tool. So that's a shortcut that the tool has, like just getting the first letter. You can see CP for construction plane works as well, or poly extrude. Yeah, that's not as simple, because poly extrude matches a lot of other things, or just extrude. Alrighty, the icons look pretty cool. Name, I like that one. Hi, my name is. Alrighty, so we have this. We're gonna put this in the now this in the CX plane and make it a polygon. And we're gonna have a lot of cubes there. Let's just randomize the scale. You see, if you're used to coding, you can just type rand, which is the A script and Vex expression name, and you'll get the attribute randomized. Pretty cool. And you will get that. So let's just randomize the P scale. You can see we have already big and small boxes. Let's not make them go down all the way to 0. Something like that. And let's make this guy taller, like that. Like that. Put them like, what am I doing? Center. The uniform scale, it's freaking doing that. No, why is it? Okay, let me just do a transform here. XF for transform, like in Fusion. There's a mixture of shortcuts there. So is this thing done? Nah, it's still a little bit there. Okay, if you guys have any questions while we're doing this, just let me know. Hopefully, hey Santi, what's up, dude? Hopefully I remember how to do stuff in Unity. But yeah. All right, so it's almost done. No, I don't want to do that. All right, seems like it's about done. So I'm gonna have 439 engine Unity. So I'm gonna install this one. 439 is the one that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna install this package now. Let's do it again. Import package, custom package. Let's do 439. This one should work. Actually, let me make sure that it's working. Houdini FX 439. All right, it's launching and then it's launching and it's working. Cool. Allow access, and there we go. All right, that works. That one works, and I don't know why the interface is too small. Apply, accept. Let's score and quit, and let's save this as simple asset. Don't use spaces. I never use spaces. Houdini. Damn it. Let me find what that thing is to add a shortcut. All right, there we go. So now we go here to Engine, Unity, and install the engine thingy. All right, open that one. And let's install those things. And this time it should work. All right, we have Houdini back up, and let's open the project. Unit testing, simple asset. See, I love my project manager because I just set the project pretty quickly and open my files really quickly. I love that. My files are open in my desktop really quickly, and the current project is set and everything is pretty cool. 439 should be 420. No. 439. I'm not. Maybe you're trying to make a joke about 420, which I'm not gonna say anything. All right, so we have installed that. Yeah, and it didn't complain this time about stuff. So let's now see where we have that HDA here. So we have this simple HDA. We should be in Unity. Drop that guy. Hey, let's see if it works. And Houdini error was thrown. Let's see what happened here. There's an issue here with, yeah, it's trying to use the other version of Houdini. There is a way to change this if I remember correctly. Advanced session. I always just go directly to advanced. There is not here. There should be a place. Installation info. It's trying to use. No, now it's using 439. What the hell? I think we're gonna have to close Unity and open it back up. Because do you guys know if there's a way to, let me just save this and close Unity, open it back up. Unity. We might need to make a new whoa, why do you want me to sign in? I already did that. Here. Do you guys know if there's a way to change that? If we might need to do another project, because maybe the project has the path to where the... No, there we go. Now it's working. I just had to... Whoa, this interface look cool. Why don't we have that in Unreal? I'm gonna complain about this. Alright, so it's working on Unity. Let's see how slow it is here. Let's put 10 rows. Whoa, that was fast. Oh crap. Oh damn, this is fast. Oh man. I hate it when it's faster in apps that I don't use. And this is pretty damn fast. I always say that Unity has these problems with positions. Places your assets in weird places. Events, asset options. Wow, this looks cool. Reload events. Alright. Yeah, alright, it's working. So now let's try to do something. Yeah, it's working really fast in Unity. I don't really know why. I do know that they're working on the implementation for Unreal to make it faster. Yeah, this thing it's fast. Let's see, let's put 1,000 here. It does it like 200. Like it works. Like let's front end and then put 2,000 and it works. Wow. That was fast. That was fast. This integration, it's good. We need something like this in Unreal. So I will complain. So now let's see if this guy won't work, but let's try this. This periphery asset, which is the one on the tutorial, some of it would work. Some has embedded Unreal shaders, but it's there. You can see it's there. Edit the curve. Well, this thing is huge. Let's see. Edit the curve. Yeah, I think it's even faster than Unreal to update this for sure. Crap. Why? Makes me mad. Makes me mad. Although it updates only when you release the mouse, which is something that I don't like. But okay. Unreal Engine plugin settings, that should be. Show curves in scene view. Bands. Nah. Okay. Pin size, line color, texture gamma. Alright. Alright, so it's working okay. It's working okay-ish. So let's do something that uses these specific Unity thingies. So let's delete this guy, periphery fence. Let's save this scene. Is this a scene? Sample scene. All right, I'm on a sample scene. Okay, so let's go to Houdini. Hey Nodeness, what's up? Yeah, the interface looks cool there in Unity. We need more of that stuff. So let's randomize the color here. Just gonna do that. I'm not gonna do anything else. Just random colors. Let's just do this as an asset. New digital asset. Yeah, do it a subnet. I want to put it in my job. Let's call this simple Unity asset and accept that, and let's call this mix simple Unity asset. And save that, and save that, and save that, and save that. Okay, apply the settings for now. Simple asset. I think you can actually do. Let's do it I think you can have your stuff here in this folder, and Unity will I'm just gonna drag it. We'll update it, but nah, I'm not gonna do that. Training and testing should be where is my project? Unity testing, here HDA, and I'm gonna put this guy there, and it's there. It's pretty small. Not sure if this is normal. I haven't let's create a object, 3D object cube. Okay, seems like it's about right. Let's see in Houdini if we create a box. Yeah, it's the scale is good. As we move this 0.5. Okay, seems like the scale it's alright. Okay. Alrighty, so now let's do something to this, guys. What can we do? Unity, we have a Unity material, which is not working with tab 2. Okay, I need to fix that. Unity material, and what is this doing? It's setting a string to a material. Okay, yeah. Relative path to that math within your Unity project, including that math extension. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. So we need to, let's see if we assign a shader. Quick, I don't have the game dev. It's not here. Weird. Quick material. Quick. No, it's not showing there. Weird is weird. Alright, so we have this thing, and what should we do with this? I don't know. Let's just save this. Save this asset. Save it. Let's see what happens in Unity. Did you just refresh? Reload. Okay. Nothing happened. It does have a shader now. There we go. Yeah. So the shader's here now. Okay. I don't want to use it, but it's there. Okay, so let's remove this, guys. I don't want to do that. Let's see how you can assign a shader, because I seen that you need to, let's add UVs to this guy. Let's see, what else can we do? UV flatten, UV flatten. Let's see what that's doing. We don't have any seams, so let's just give it some seams. Here, 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 here. Just give it some seams to this, and that should unwrap it. Yeah. UV layout. Just to put it on the right place, and that should be okay. We can add a texture now to this, guys, but it seems like we have to add the texture in Unity. I don't know, let me remove the color for now. No, that's the scale. P-scale, and this is the color. So let's remove the color and add the, damn it, doesn't show. Quick material. And let's assign a texture here from the Houdini textures. Assign this texture. Oh, that looks cool. Alright. So now what happens if we save this? And doesn't refresh, we have to reload it. And it's nothing's happening. Recook. No. Reload. Should change because there's no. Do we need to refresh this? Re-import. In Unreal, you just refresh this thing and it works. Do we need to delete it, put it back in, and out? Re-import it. Re-import. Then reload. Okay. Now that's weird. Did we save this? Save asset. Maybe that didn't save that. Maybe. Let's see. Let's hope that is the. Nope. 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 That I don't like. Okay. I have a few other things there. Reload. Nope. Re-import. Come on, Unity. No, 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 no. Okay, now that's an issue. So let's kill it from here, maybe delete. I don't know. And import it again. That's, if I have to do that every time, I'm not gonna be happy. Yep, that works. Which is not what I expected. And actually the texture works as well. Pretty cool. Now you have a texture. It's coming from Houdini and everything is working. So let's try to expose some parameters now, because that's what assets do. Alright, you guys are a little bit too quiet. Is anybody out there? Alrighty. Okay, so let's expose some parameters, because by default type properties this will have the transform on the subnet, which we don't need. And we want to, let's just expose the global seed here. Let's call this scale global seed, and let's expose the minimum and maximum values. Minimum and maximum values. Minimum scale and max scale. Do that. Apply. Accept. Yeah, accept. Let's save the asset, and let's see what happens in Unity. If I have to kill this every time, I'm gonna be mad. Reload the asset, and asset parameters are here. Transform. Yeah, this is, dude. No, I need. I don't want to do this. I need to re-import every time. Not even re-import. Delete it. No, I don't want to. No. Let's see if we. No, I know what's happening. The thing is that we are editing an asset that it's in another place. Yeah, that's the thing. So let's delete this guy. Yeah, there's two assets in two different places. That's what's happening. When we're importing here, we're copying it to the folder here. And that's what I didn't do before, but I should have. Let's go to type properties and let's change the path here. Let's put it where the project is, so Unity can reload the changes. That's how Unity works. It's not getting the asset from the location, it's copying it to the location, to the project location. So what is this? Where is this? Opening Explorer, it's in my documents folder, which is totally lame, but it's there. We should do that in Houdini. Here, home folder. Just paste that path. Here, HDA. We should save this guy here. Select file. What am I doing now? Copy. Operator type. No, that's not what I wanted to copy. Not this one either. This one. I want to save it here. Oh, man, I don't need to type the name. Simple Unity asset.hda. Accept. So now it's going to be in that directory. I'm going to apply and accept, and it should now be in Unity. There we go. So here it is. So that's how you do it in Unity. You have to save it there when you are developing this. So there we go. There we go. That's our properties there now. And whoa, why is it moving? Why is it moving every time? Okay, so we can change the minimum scale, change the maximum scale, maybe type 10. Does it work? Yeah. 5, 2. Yeah, it works. You can change the seed. Alright, it's pretty cool. We have textures on the objects and stuff. Alrighty, that is working. Let's see if it's actually working. What else can we expose here. Let's expose the scale of the boxes here. Let's expose that parameter. Nope, not that. Type properties and expose this. Let's call this global scale. Apply and accept and save the asset. And if we now reload this, yeah, now it works. Oh, but it loses the options. That doesn't happen in Unreal, actually. I'm not sure if there's an option here, but when you reload in Unreal, the settings you had, they stay like that. They don't disappear. Can we move these guys? The order of this? No, seems like we don't. It's just this is like a custom panel. Yeah, we can change the global scale of the boxes and change the minimum scale. All right, it's working. It's working. Okay, so what else can we do? Let's use. I don't have anything here from. Is there a way to get some shaders here in Unity? There was packages before and sample scenes. Let's see if I can run another instance of Unity. Projects, learn installs. Let's say open, maybe. Let's see if there's no open. See users, documents. No. Where was that thing? Users. There's no sample scene with Unity now. There was a sample scene before. Anyone knows if there's a sample scene? Unity sample projects. Let's see if we can get something from sample project file. Simple tunnel project can be found here. It's gonna be heavy, I guess, but I don't mind. 380, it's fast for me. Let's put it in. Let's put it in. Where should we put this? In the testing, Unity testing here. Let's copy that there. Training, Unity testing. Is that thing done? Where's my window? Download. Yeah, it's done. So what is here? I just want some shaders to see if we can assign those shaders from Houdini, which I know it's possible. I don't know how to do it. So far, it's working okay. It's very similar to what you do in Unreal. But I think the let's see the docs. Standard assets. Learn. Learn Unity. Tutorial and projects. Should have gotten something simpler. Ah, that looks pretty cool. Those things thingy. So it says here in the materials that materials can be assigned to outputs in 2 different ways, with the material by attribute and how the plugin generated. Okay, you have to be okay. They have to be in. You have to put the relative path from the assets folder. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Sure, we can. I don't know why this is taking forever to do that. Open archive. There we go. This is faster. Assets, scenes. There's no materials here, are there? I don't know. Let me just extract this thing. Extract to there. Whoa, this is heavy stuff. Come on, extract faster. Extract faster. Faster. Extract faster. 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 Alright, Didi. We're not gonna do any coding about Unity, but I will be doing that if I do a training for this. I'm talking to an author or a mentor or somebody to see if he wants to do what I want to do for Unity, but if he doesn't, I'm gonna do it myself because it needs to be done. It is not something that is not gonna be done. It's gonna be done. So you heard it here first. It will be done. It will be done. Oh yes, it will be done. Where do people put shaders, materials? I don't know. Should we just create one or what? Create folder, materials, and create a shader. What's good here? Standard surface shader, I guess. Call this sample. Okay, so now we have a material which is not what I'm used to seeing here. I'm doing something wrong, right? Material. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. This is a shader that you can code. Actually, I wanna see the code. Show generated code. Let's delete that one. Let's see. Let's create a scripts folder and let's create a script folder. Scripts. So let's just create a simple script. So I want to open the editor. Is it still that mono thingy? No, now uses Visual Studio. Okay. So it doesn't include the editor now, or what? Preferences, external editors. Says internal. Okay, but wants to use Visual Studio now. I don't know. It's alright. I can use Visual Studio. It's a little bit too heavy for that, but okay. What do I know? Alrighty, Oh, my virtual assist trial is gone. Damn it. I might need to buy that. Okay, so you can see this is Unity. Okay, cool. I don't remember anything about this. What can I do? No, I don't remember a damn thing about Unity coding. I remember you loading there. Yeah, it takes a while to compile still. Alright, so let's try the material that we created. This material looks totally like crap. Aren't there like pre-built materials somewhere in in Unity? Because there are in Unreal. Unity testing. Let's see if I open this. How do you open a project? Did you just open like that? Okay, there's no project, right? It's just like the folder. Yeah, continue. Go ahead, do what you want to do. Okay, alrighty. Everyone's so serious today. Just tell a joke or something. I'm getting bored here. This project contains scripts and assembly that are users obsolete APIs. If you choose go ahead, Unity will automatically operate any script assemblies in the assets folder. Yeah, whatever, go ahead. Do it, Unity. Don't be scared. Yeah, I do that a lot. I break stuff a lot as well and have to redo stuff a lot. So, not really scared about breaking a project that it's not even mine. I break my own. Alrighty. It's important. It's important. It's important. So then it says that damn it, I need to fix that. Unity material takes a path. Okay, so does this guy have like a math extension or something? Is there a way to copy the path? There's a way to copy the path in Unreal for this, but seems like there's no copying here. Alright, I'm gonna assign it assets, then materials, and then simple that math. Said that I need to put math at the end. Let's see if it works. Save the asset, save the world. Let's make this some distinct color, because if it's working, we're not gonna see it. So we're gonna lose that texture, and we're gonna have that material if everything works alright. Alright, let's refresh this guy, reload. Yeah, it worked. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Alright. Okay, so let's see. We are using this material now, right? So we're using a material from Unity. A Unity material from Unreal, which is great. I love my automation stuff. I don't want to be doing stuff twice, thrice, and whatever ice. Let's just do some. This box, it's a little bit too simple. Polybevel this guy. Polybevel it. Yeah. Now that looks better. Unity is a modern engine. Should handle it. Right? And did that take? I don't see any corners. I'm actually I keep seeing corners, but yeah, I didn't save this. Save asset. Reload asset. There we go. Now we have corners there. I mean we have issues. What? Are we having like normal issues there? Maybe. Normal. Let's just do that and see if that fixes the issue. Save node type and reload it, and there we go. Now it works. There was some normal issues there. You can see, I don't know, Unity looks pretty simple to me. Let's create a plane. Yeah, that's how I work. That's how I speak. Yeah. Okay, so think the other project open. Here we go. Now this looks more interesting. It has textures and stuff, so let's play this. Let's see what happens with this guy. It's alright, it's playing. It's playing. I just look around. Can I walk? Yeah, I can walk. I can walk today. I can jump. I can't do weird stuff. Go through walls. There we go. There's some Unity stuff there. Hi. Let's jump here. Can't. Jump. Let's see what's at the end of the tunnel. Scary stuff. The end of the world. Am I falling? Yes, I'm falling. Woo! Escape. Alright, let's see if there's some materials here that we can get. Where is this railing shader? Select shader. How do you get to where the shader is? No. That wasn't it. How do you find the shader? How do you work here? I want to know what this thing is. Where is it in the project? Where is it in the project? It doesn't say. Why? Mesh. Scenes, utilities. Railing material. It's in tunnel mesh materials. Yeah, but why, dude? Just tell me where you are. Oh, there's some errors here. I don't know what's happening with Unity. There's a light editor on this other window and a material inspector, and that looks cool. Alright, that is gone. No. Now it was here in internal mesh material, so there's some railing material there, you can see, but it requires some texture. So can you export this? Can you just copy it? All right, you can export it. Cool. Export. Let's put it in our project. Is there in the recent projects? No. Unity testing. No, it's not here. It's in. Gosh, shouldn't saved it here, but it's there. Assets, materials, or should I just select the assets folder? I guess. Fine. Ah, it's trying to export a package. Let's put it in the desktop, I guess. Material. And then import it in the other one. Import package from the desktop. It's called material, open. Yep. Import that. And yeah, this is similar to Unreal, a little bit more hard. You should have just imported from one to the other, but okay. Let's move this guy here. Does it still work? Can we make this bigger? Is there a shader editor? No. Is it? I saw some editor, general rendering. I don't know. There was a material editor or something. Look dev. Woo! Look dev. I could copy from one to the other, but it wouldn't bring the dependencies. In this case, the textures there are dependent on the material. It wouldn't get those into the. It wouldn't bring those textures. So let's see if I assign this guy. Looks like that, which is totally crap. So I like that it's kind of previews the material. Okay. I want to have actually a few more materials here. Let's see what we can do here. There's a park bench. Let's try this one. I want this one. What is this one? What is your material, dude? Platform material. Okay, I want that one. And I want that one. Let's export these three guys as well. Well, that's what I'm doing, because if I just copy these guys like that, paste them here, I don't think they're gonna, you can't even do that. Now you can actually just copy paste. There's not even a copy the copy thingy here. So yeah, you kind of have to export them to a package so they gather. Unreal does this as well, but it just asks you to put it where you want to put it in the other project, and then you just put it there and it works. Let's call this material 2. In this case, it creates a package with all the dependencies, and then you can import it into the other place or wherever other project you want to put those in. It's an extra step, but it works. So I want to have all these guys in the same place because it's gonna be a weird path. I did not. Wrong place. Materials. These names are just totally bogus, but alright, I'm gonna I'm gonna randomize those materials. Let's see how they look. Oh, that looks at least usable. Okay, not that bad, not horrible. This one looks horrible. All right, doesn't matter. What I want is I do this randomized thingy for these guys. Like, how did I do it in the other project? Yeah, I know. So here we can assign just one, right? But if I do a randomized attribute and then I set this to custom discrete, I can set a Unity material here, delete it from there, let's put the same name here, Unity material, and then I can change this to string and I can put different materials here and actually say which one I want more of or less of here. Maybe we can try to expose this in Unity. Let's see what happens. So it's gonna be the path is assets, materials, and then we can, let's have, this is called railing material that mat. Okay, so I think this is gonna be an issue because the railing material has a space. Oh no, it doesn't. All right, no, Unity doesn't allow spaces either, so that's good. So let's just copy the path. Let me make this bigger so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just putting the path to the material, and I need to put mat at the end as the documentation said. And that's why you read the documentation, because you wouldn't put the mat extension at the end and it wouldn't work. So let's so what we're doing right now, it's we are gonna randomize the material for each one of the copies here. And let's also expose the number of points on the circle, which is this one. Let's put it at the top and say number of points. Points. I can write points actually. So let's save this asset and refresh. Fingers crossed it's gonna work. Cap. Oh man, I can't say your name. I'm gonna call you Cap. Capma. Thank you, Capma. I love doing tutorials and I love helping people. So glad you're enjoying the tutorials. Let's reload this shot and let's see if it works. Reload, and it does work. Look at that. We are having random material for each one now. And we can change this. Actually, I think we only have 2 materials, or is it 1, 2, 3, 4? No, it's working. So we can change the number of points now. You can see now we have different materials for each one. Pretty cool. We can change the seed. And it's gonna change the materials as well. That's looking pretty good. All right, so this is working cool. I'm liking this. We can actually expose the seed of this and not move the. This is turning into a really nice tutorial actually. Global seed for the shaders. Material seed. Of course the shaders don't fit the object, but it's working. We have working. Of course if you have your good working asset, it will I don't know why I do this. Am I a freaking robot or what? Alright, so alright, let's refresh this guy. All right, I know. I'm getting the hang of this. It's working. All right, so you can see we have those materials, but now I can just randomize the materials if I don't like what I'm seeing. Pretty cool. Let's see. Like right now, you can see I can't assign a material specifically to one object. Let me put this on the ground. Whoa, that's it's killing me. No, let's just leave it without anything. Right now, these guys are not instances, and in Unreal, when you have instances, you can assign materials to different ones. Oh, actually, you can. It's just replacing the whatever material you had. Okay. Let's do it with this. So, yeah. So the ones that had the same material are being replaced with whatever I drag to it. All right. Now that's a good thing. Let's see if we just do pack an instance here and see what happens. And save the asset, and let's refresh here. Reload. What happened here? Let's see what the data. So now it says instance for each one, but now I don't see the materials. That's weird. So the materials are gone. So instances don't work. Instances don't inherit the material. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Maybe it's not copying the. It is there. It's the Unity materials is there. Okay, let's just confirm that that is the issue. Save asset, and let's refresh, reload, and now it works. All right. Okay, so for some reason it doesn't work with instancing, assigning the material randomly like this. So, okay. So we can actually also randomize the normal. Run n. Let's put it n, and I don't want them to rotate in the y direction, so I don't want it to be rotating in every direction. So let's just say no, I don't want that. I want the Gaussian 0. No, I want 0 here. Do I? No. I just want them to rotate on. What am I doing here? No, wrong axis. Wrong axis. Kinda getting there. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. We want X and Y rotate on C around this direction. X and Y. Nah. Just doing crazy stuff. I did it the other day. Now I don't know what to do here. Let's see what the normals. Normals are gonna be weird. Whatever. Okay, this is alright for now. Of course it's not alright, but alright. Okay, I just wanted to randomize the rotation, but it's not gonna work for this. Okay, so I think it's working. Everything that I wanted to test is working. So yeah, it's working. So the verdict is it works. It works with Houdini Engine, and it's working okay. It looks better than it works. Something that I don't like is that you lose your settings. If I want, I don't know, if I want 20 points and I want my global seed to be whatever number I want, and I want to be my minimum scale that, and my max scale that, and my global scale to be whatever I want, and material seed, it's alright. And I changed one little thing in Houdini and reload the asset. The settings get lost, which is something that I don't like in this case. In LearnDay A, they don't. When you that looks cool. When you update or reload the asset in Unreal, they don't go back to the defaults. They keep the parameters here, so I like that. I like that, and it's very useful when you are. It's pretty useful when you're editing when you're building your asset, because you're gonna be building it and you wanna be tweaking it and all that stuff. Okay, I guess the only thing left that I want to test is exposing the curve here. I don't know if you can expose closed curves, but let's try that. Let's go to node, editable nodes. Can I just drag this guy here? Seems like I can, but is it gonna work? Who knows? Reload the asset, and do you have a curve for me, Houdini? It seems like it doesn't want me to edit that. Do you guys have any questions right now? Let me know, because we are going to finish for the day. Apply and accept and reload asset. Oh, did I save that? I didn't, right? I always forget to save this and reload. And now it's gonna show me my curve, right? Where's my curve, Unity? It's not showing me the curve. Okay. Maybe it doesn't support closed curves, so let's just open this. Should work for us, because we are cool. So now it's just that. If you have any questions, please let me know right now, because we are closing for the day. And let's reload this guy. And I still don't see a curve here, an editable curve, which might be my fault because I've never done this. So let's try actually creating a curve. And let's just snap to the curve, to the grid. Just something really quick. and resample this guy. When I have a bunch of points, resample by polygon edge. I don't. Oh, there we go. There. Let's see if that works. We have a bunch of copies now. Like that. That kind of looks cool. But now we need to change this guy to the curve. Curve 1. Apply and accept. And save it. And let's see what happens here. Update the asset. All right, now it works. So it doesn't like the curve node. It wants to, I mean the circle node wants it to be an open curve. So now we can edit the curve and move it around. So yeah, this updates really quickly. I wish it was interactive. Can we do that? Plugin settings. Push unit transform to Houdini. Import related geos. Show curves in scene editor. No. Why? Why are you doing this? I'm gonna complain. Create pipeline, connect to debugger, select session info. Nah, it doesn't do that. Okay. So we can add points. We can add. Oh, to the end? Okay. Cool. This looks pretty cool. Let's do the Houdini spiral. Alright. I'm gonna do that and we can view it. Alright. Well, I think it works. The final decision, whatever, verdict, how do you call that, is that it's working. Number of points, it doesn't do anything now. You can change the global seed, make minimum sizes smaller, maximum sizes bigger. Global scale, we can change that. We can change the material seed if we don't like something we have. 1, that's too much. 0.2. Okay. A space to switch mode. Okay. What if I don't want to see that? Hide that thing. Whatever. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a nice exploration about Houdini Engine in this thingy called Unity. There's no questions, seems like, which is alright. It's alright. I'm not gonna force you to ask any questions. Why? Would I do that? Yeah, freaking camera, man. I had this camera. It just makes me look slow. Slow. Whatever. All right. Well, that was a good one. New possibilities for using Houdini in other applications, right? There's a lot of open doors, and we just open a new one. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go do something, which is gonna be more work. And I will see you guys next week. All right, take care. I'll see you next Wednesday, and we can keep learning together, right? Okay, cheers guys.